Today I have a SP EcoTank L3210 printer, and today I will install this and I will show how we can install it. Here is some manual and CD. Here is the ink. I will install it. And this is the printer power cable, USB cable. Okay. This is a multifunctional printer. You can do the photocopy, you can do the scan, and you can print. You can do multiple work with this printer. Okay, this is the scanner unit. Let's inject the ink, and here is the ink mark. Okay, never mistake. And here is a black, yellow, magenta, cyan. Okay, if you mistake this, and you will never get the proper color. And here is a PK. Yellow. Printer is warming up, and now ink is initializing. And our printer is ready. Let's install the driver and connect the USB cable. And it will take some time according to internet speed. Now printer driver is installing, and I will show you this. It will take some time. And setup is complete. Okay, give the test space. Let's see. Printer series test space. And pin command accepted, and it's printing. Let's check the photocopy. What happened? Set the paper and place it. Photocopy quality also perfect. Check this scanner. Okay, scanner 2. This. Okay, here is the scanner. Just scan it. Yes. the scan folder. You can see it's okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. And this is not Wi-Fi printer, and this is a USB printer. Okay.